Hello friends, my name is Pushpendu and you are watching Excel ABCD. Today we will discuss about function choose and function switch. Before starting my video, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, then please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. So guys, please stay with me till the end of this video. What is function switch? This is a new function in Excel. You can get this function in Office 365 and Excel 2019. Excel switch function returns multiple choices of results with multiple types of values. But what does it mean? Just reading out the definition doesn't make it clear until we see an example in worksheet. See here, I have put product names in one column like product 1, product 2, etc. In another column, I have put product rating or customer rating of the products from 1 to 5. Depending on the rating, I will put the remarks about the products with the formula. See the formula I am typing here. So it's like expression is equal to value 1, then it will be result 1. If the expression is equal to value 2, then it will show result 2. Like that it will continue. Now we will come to the function choose. Excel choose function returns the value from the list of which position is given as index. Here I have shown the syntax also. To understand this formula, we have to go to worksheet. We will just put the function choose this time in the same worksheet. Look how I am building this formula. Here you have to put only 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 in place of index num. It means if you have put 1, then it will show value 1. If you put 2, then it will show value 2. Just like that. I hope my video was good enough to learn about the function choose and function switch. Next time we will meet with a new video and a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.